Why are my contacts receiving a service access denied response from a keyword opt-in with Easy Texting? Receiving an error message known as a shortcode block is a very rare issue. But if it happens, you'll want to know how to properly, quickly, and easily address it. First, let's confirm the problem isn't just a simple clerical error or a typo, and that the keyword you're promoting matches the one you selected. To find the keyword on your account, first go to Keywords and Numbers on the left panel. This is crucial, as the keyword is the code your customers will text to join into your subscriber list. It's like a not-so-secret password followers can use to receive important or promotional deals from your account. Words like join, or save, or vote, or whichever word you select. Your contacts text that keyword to your toll-free number or shortcode to opt into your account, either of which are assigned during sign-up. Simply click your profile icon, and it will be listed under your number. If the would-be subscriber receives a service access denied response and not an automatic welcome text, then they need to contact their phone carrier provider and ask them to remove what's called a shortcode block. After this block is removed, your contacts can text the keyword to your number again. It should now be successful. As an extra reminder, contacts only receive messages based on the country their phone carrier is registered in. So, for example, contacts with a US phone carrier only receive messages from a US number, while Canadian phones only receive them from Canadian numbers. A customer must therefore have a phone from the same country that the business is registered in for a seamless opt-in to your subscriber list. Congrats! You've now resolved your contacts issues with receiving keyword replies with Easy Texting. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.